Hi there, it's me Robin from RBNF Solutions. If you need any kind of website, you may contact with us. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add credit cards on your online shop which has made with WooCommerce. We're gonna do this through Stripe, and please make sure you have subscribed our channel because your subscription is our inspiration. If you subscribe our channel, YouTube will not search from you, so please make sure you have subscribed our channel so that our community grow up more faster. So back to the WordPress dashboard now. Then we are going to use a plugin. So hover on plugin and click on add new, and from the search bar search the plugin name is Commerce Stripe Payment Gateway. So this is the plugin we have to install. So click on install now. After installing, activate the plugin. Simply click on activate. The plugin has been activated successfully, and after that hover on WooCommerce, then click on settings, then click on payments tab. Here you will see Stripe. This is the Stripe, and for credit card there have more options as well. We are going to set up this one, so simply take it and then simply click on setup. After that, you can see here test mode. It has been checked. So what is test mode? You will get a publishable key and secret key for testing the process. Suppose with the test process the credit card option is working fine, then the live process or live key will be work perfectly. So you can firstly check the test mode is working or not. If it is working perfectly, then you can put your live API key, live publishable key and secret key here. So we are going to use firstly the test mode. You have to log in on Stripe. Then you have to sign in. I have already signed in, and now clicking on dashboard, and from here make sure the view test data is on, and then you will see here publishable key and secret key. Those are test API keys, so you have to copy the test publishable key and then put that here, and again copy the secret key copy it and put in the secret key box. After that, simply click on save changes. Now if you reload this, then you should see the credit card option for payment. Yes, now you can see here credit card here. Also have Stripe. If you want to change it, then you have to put the title here, just credit cards, or you can put any title. So we are going to put pay with credit card, then save changes, and after that reload to the site again. Now you will see pay with credit card. We are going to check this, and then we have already a saved card. We are going to use a new card. Then here you have to put the card number. the test card number is this one, and then you can put any number, then click on place order. We are creating $7 order. Okay, so place order. Now you can see the order has been received. Then we can click on payments, and here we can see $7 order, and payment we have received $7 cosmetic shop order. This is our description, and this is the order actually. So the order is working fine. Here have all description. So we are going to put here now live API key, so people can put or people can make payment directly. So we have to off it, so click on there, and here you will see this is our live API key. So click on here to copy it and put the live API key, and again we have to copy the secret key, live secret key. So click on here. So this key is not working for us anymore, so we have to click on developer dashboard. You should get the key here. Just click on here to copy the code actually. So we are going to create new one, and have to click on secret key. Key name is publish secret key. We can put any key name, and then this is our key, and after that we have to paste the key here and save changes. You will get here directly. Just click on here and paste it here, and then again reload. We have to purchase a product again to see the process. Add to cart, then we can go directly on checkout page, and here you will see card method. Then just put card number here and put the all details, and just simply click on place order, and the live payment will be work fine. So I hope this tutorial helped you. If you want to add credit cards on your site, so please subscribe our channel to get more useful tutorials in future, and it will be very helpful for us because we can grow up more faster, and we will get more inspiration to create more useful tutorials in future. So thank you.